Hello everyone, it's Nad. Okay, so here, it's actually day 2, apologies, sorry, that's just the ribbon. It's actually day 2 of the harvest, and remember I was saying about the big John Deere? That field right there, so the John Deere was. Okay, so right now they're in field B, and they're just doing the headlands now, so yeah. The oats are very short over there. So anyways, you're not getting much right now, but if I catch up to it, you'll get something. Hang on. There we go. Jeez. I really lifted it up here. Anyways, I don't know how big this field is. But hey, sorry if it's wiggly, I'm just walking through. Oh, sorry, you see, there's just ribbons attached to the phone to make it easier to find. I'm recording on the phone right now. A class, and also I figured out that the combine is 4 years old. I made fun of it in the last episode for being so small. Jeez, that's a big patch in this. Oh sorry, I shouldn't be. Hang on, one time zoom. Why do I always do these one-time zoom? I have no clue. And there's a nice back POV of the combine here. When he turns around to go that way, sorry about the ribbons, if they get in the way, it's just they're new on the phone. See, the reason I'm recording on the phone is because my account is on the phone, not outside. Also, I know it's August, but I've got big plans for Halloween, guys. Big plans. And then I'll be running 3 channels. Also, if you wouldn't mind, please subscribe and check out all the other videos. This combine is quite small, but it's actually only like 4 years old. Also, if you have any ideas for my bale of straw, drop them down in the comment section below. So I'd love to hear your ideas. Now, if you listen to the reverse noise, just listen. I recognise this from a different combine, but it's just the same model, it's not the same combine. Listen. Right. No, didn't reverse. Okay, it's going to reverse up at the corner, probably. Right, let's catch up with it. Let's get some front action. There we go. Some front action. I've already explained it with the wheat. might not be able to get a ride this time, guys. This is Oats, my first Oats video. Big empty spot there. Just try not to trip on all that cloud ground. You might hear the reverse noise here. Yeah, you're gonna hear it here, guys. You'd recognize that anywhere. Front row seats here. I thought it was missed. Oh. Hang on a sec, there's a grain car coming. I only really see them in America. I have to stick to the ditch now. I may try and run up ahead. Sorry, don't want to get in the way now. Wouldn't be good for me. He's still doing the headlands. Okay. Oh, this is going to be the thumbnail, guys. Every YouTuber needs a good thumbnail. I'm moonwalking for you. You gotta like and subscribe. I'm basically just moonwalking for you. I'm using the road to guide me, the straw. Ow. Oh no. I stepped on a thing with a thorn in it. Oh, looks like there's another combine over in that field. I'll tell you one thing. There's plenty of obstacles stopping me from going over there. Besides, we got a brand new combine here, basically. I got a brand new combine harvester. Wow. Oh, there's something in me too spiky. I've decided this is just going to be a 10-minute video. There we go. We've got plenty of front action here now. Ow. There's something in me too. This is all the latest tech in it for a combine. It's brand new. Oh my god, it's so rocky here. It's like a beach covered in rocks here. Except there's marram grass growing here. Jeez. So macapaco up here. Anyways. Don't know who Master Packet is. Tough. I'm still moonwalking. 10 minutes just for you. Oh gosh, this is very not so. Oh, and this is only the headlands, like. Oh my god, there's a million rocks here. Those sheep were in there earlier. They must have ender pearls. You know, I can just about hear this yoke from my house. Oh, we'll get a good shot here. Oh yeah. Might even get the beep beep noise. Remember, drop any suggestions about my bear in the comments. And subscribe. Because there's something in my shoe that's really annoying me. Like, subscribe, all that. And I'll see. Wait, let's get this empty first. You're the empty, or do you want me to stop? I'll get use the empty. They're all empty. You know what loves them? Sparrows. That combine can only go 30 kilometers, so yeah. Okay. There's a foot or something in my foot, so I'm gonna leave it there. Like and subscribe. Do all of that. I'll see you guys in part 3, probably. And there's 2 more fields that I know where this combine has a chance of being. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.